Today, now I'm gonna give information about NIMS, Nizam Institute of Medical Science, which is located in Panjagutta, Hyderabad in Telangana state. So, in recently, it has released the notification for admissions with respect to BSc nursing and so on. So in this video, now I'm gonna tell you specifically about BSc nursing course and details. Along with, now I'm gonna show you the details while I was browsing the NIMS Institute website, as well as the prospectus of admissions, how it will what are the mandatory things to be joined in this BSc nursing course in Panjagutta. Before telling about this admissions for BSc nursing, few words for NIMS. Nizam Institute of Medical Science is a medical institute which was established under State Legislative Act, Assembly Act. So that's why especially 80% of seats would be reserved for local candidates. Therefore, 85% of seats would be enrolled by Telangana districts only. Remaining 50% seats would be enrolled by other states. Let us go to the institute website in order to get to know about more details. Now go to Google and just type so if you type just merely NIMS Hyderabad courses, you will get to see this website. In this, go and search for academics. In this academics, go for courses and nursing. Go for BSc nursing. This is the prospectus of BSc nursing. So just click over here, desktop view, in order to see zoom. Yeah, this is the full details for BSc nursing course. This is exclusively for women only, not for boys. The candidates who has passed the intermediate with science group by PC, physics, chemistry and biology, and that is, and candidates shall be medical fit, and those who are even color blind also, they are eligible. And most of them are confuses with age, right? This is the fees details. Fees details for first semester 40,000, second semester 36,000, third semester 36, fourth semester this is 4-year course. Duration is 4 years. Number of seats would be 100 seats. So now we will see the complete details about BSc nursing in NIMS. Nizam Institute of Medical Science. As far as I know, this would be a best option to study BSc Nursing, especially hailing from Telangana district. This would be a good choice. Yeah, this would be details, notification, number of stipend, uniform, what is the code, and what to do, what not to do, code and conducts, and every instructions would be outlined in this prospectus. See that you are seeing right now while I was taking into this prospectus. See, this BSc nursing course for only women, 100 seats, 4 years course, and age relaxation. There would be a 5 years age relaxation for Divyang. Yes, a minimum 17 years should be before 31st of December 2021. So reservation would be given for SC/STs, BCs, and 5% disabled, 5% reservation for Divyang, and BCE reservation and local reservation. As I said earlier, 85% of seats would be given priority as per slate legislation, as it is registered under Slate Legislative Assembly. 85% seat would be allotted to Telangana districts only. And this local area, those are districts Adilabad and Bhaddadri, Kottagudem, Hyderabad, Jagitala, as you can see in this prospectus. Application process, this you should be early and to be in order to enroll into this course. It has already notified in this website. It is it was issued on 17 September. So last date would be October 7. So you can apply through online or offline, either way, which would comfort for you. Based on the comfort test, you can go on. These are the details for entrance test, selection exam test. What are the subjects and how the methods of selection and fees, instructions, all those details you will get to know by going through this website. And if you have any, if you want to know more details about this names, I will prescribe this link in comment box. Please subscribe and share. Thank you so much.